Hi guys, this is Gayatri Mandya and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'll be creating this festive makeup look which will be super simple and quick and also suitable for all the occasions. Since you know festival is around the corner and we need to have a festive makeup look. So that's why I've thought of doing this video. So overall, this video is all about getting ready for this festive season. So without wasting any further ado, let's start the video. So before starting anything, I would like to tell you the most important thing I do before makeup. No, it's not skincare. I use this colored contact lenses from Aqualens. So I have been using this colored contact lenses from while now and I totally love using contact lenses. So number one reason is it gives amazing look to your eyes, and number two reason is you don't have to use specs because these aqua lenses have powered ones and non-powered ones in these colored contact lenses, which is too good because to be honest I have -4 point and I cannot see anything without lenses or without spectacles. But you cannot wear specs all the time, मतलब मेकअप का तो पूरा लुक ही खराब हो जाता है. But for that we have contact lenses and I trust this company because I have been using their contact lenses for a while now and ये मेरे आईज को बिल्कुल इरिटेट नहीं करते हैं, बिल्कुल वाटरी नहीं करते हैं बहुत ताकि मेरा पूरा मेकअप खराब हो जाए. बिकॉज लेंसेज लगाने के बाद ऑफ कोर्स किसी के भी आंखों में पानी आ जाता है बिकॉज आवर आईज आर वेरी सेंसिटिव, बट दिस इज अमेजिंग. बिल्कुल भी पानी नहीं आता है एंड उसके बाद मैं स्ट्रेट 5-6 आवर्स तक ये कॉन्टैक्ट लेंसेज लगा के रखती हूँ. मुझे फील भी नहीं होता है कि मैंने कुछ लगाया है. इट इज दैट लाइट वेट एंड फ्लेक्सिबल टू यूज. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं इसका एप्लीकेशन भी बताऊंगी कि इसको कैसे लगाना है बिकॉज सो मेनी पीपल आर कंफ्यूज अबाउट हाउ टू अप्लाई लेंसेज बिकॉज दे आर वेरी स्केयर्ड ऑफ अप्लाइंग लेंसेज बिकॉज आई वॉज टू. दैट इज द डिफरेंट स्टोरी. But talking about this contact lenses, they have powered and non-powered as I've already told you. They have so many colors available in this. I have 2 colors with me which I'm going to use this in this video according to my outfit. And they also have daily disposables, monthly disposables. That is too good because अगर आप daily lenses use करते हो तो monthly are very good for you. अगर आप बहुत ही rarely contact lenses use करते हो तो आप daily disposable use कर सकते हो because that is too affordable. You can save so much money on these lenses. That's why I love this brand a lot. So I have these 2 lenses with me. One is Tricky Turquoise and second is Mystery Hazel. I am going to apply this on one eye and this on other eye. उसके बाद डिसाइड करते हैं कि मेरे आउटफिट पे कौन सा जाता है. So let's go. Also if you go to the Aqualenses website, you can get a variety of colored contact lenses for powered and non-powered ones. So just go to their website and check out all the colored contact lenses. That's how I shop on Aqualenses. So without wasting any further ado, let's apply these lenses and do our makeup. Always remember before applying lenses, always wash your hands and make sure it's dry. अगर आप वॉश नहीं करोगे आपके हाथों पे जर्म्स रहेंगे तो आपके आंखों को भी इरिटेशन हो सकती है. So make sure you always wash your hands and dry your hands. This is my lens. After that, put the lens on your index finger like this. I hope you guys can see this is the lens. Now dab this lens into your eyes. And I know मैं बहुत ही weird दिखने वाली हूँ lens लगाते हुए because I just make weird faces automatically. But please don't laugh. Just put this lens gently on your eyes and then blink 1 to 2 times and you are good to go. So I'll just show you how to do that. Like this. So थोड़ा सा 1 to 2% वाटर तो आता ही है, इसीलिए I do this step before makeup. The makeup I never apply lenses because I know अगर कभी कुछ हुआ, if my eyes acted up, then पूरा मेकअप खराब हो जाना है. That's why I always use these lenses before makeup and this is the shade name Mystery Hazel. It's looking very pretty. But let's apply the next lens, Tricky Turquoise, then we will decide. This is the second lens, Tricky Turquoise. Now I am going to apply the same way. Just dab these lenses into your eyes and blink. This is how the Tricky Turquoise shade looks like. I'm actually liking both, but I guess I'll go with the Mystery Hazel one, which looks super great, and I'll be back. This is how my eyes are looking. I think it's looking super perfect. And the reason why I apply colored contact lenses while doing makeup is because it looks so gorgeous after my makeup. And also this colored contact lenses gives my makeup another level look. That's how most of the celebrities looks like. If you haven't noticed it, you can go and notice now. They apply colored contact lenses so many times. And also why I particularly love these lenses is because I already told you they have varieties of colors. They also protect you from UVA and UVB light, and also they have 55% of water content, which means your eyes will not get dried out, because बहुत सारे लोगों के eyes बहुत dry हो जाते हैं. That's why colored contact lenses उन पे सूट नहीं करते, उनकी eyes बहुत sensitive हो जाती है. But these lenses have 55% water content, which is totally safe for your eyes. So as we have already applied our lenses, let's do the makeup and you will get to see the whole new look at the end of this video. As I have already prepped my skin, I'm directly going to use foundation, which is full coverage, because festive season is here and I would like to do a full coverage foundation. But don't worry, this will be very quick. So I'm going to use this foundation. So next step is to use a good concealer. So as you can see, I have so much dark circles, so let's conceal that. So this was my base makeup, only 2 steps, one foundation and second is concealer, and I'm going to set all the makeup with loose powder at the end. But let's focus on your eyes, and I'm going to use a black kajal to do my eyes, so let's do that. Lastly, topping it off with mascara to complete my eye look, because I don't like to apply false lashes regularly. So for festive season, I guess natural lashes is very good. It will leave an impression, like not too much makeup, not light makeup. So it will be a medium for both situation. So I would like to just roll out this mascara over my lashes and my eyes will look really good. Next part is my absolute favorite, is to apply blush, because without blush no makeup is complete. So I'm going to use this cute bright peach blush, which will look very natural on my cheeks. My cheeks are looking very good right now. I mean, look at that blush. It's so good, it looks so natural. मेरे makeup में पूरी जान डाल दी है, so I just love this blush. And I'm guilty of using blush too much, because I use too much blush. I can't stop using it, and this looks very good. Yeah, this is too good. Look at that glow. Thoda sa na, I will also do some contour, because why not? We are almost complete. I just have to apply lipstick, and it's a festive makeup look, so of course a lots of highlighter. I'm going to use a lots and lots of highlighter. You just wait and watch. सबसे पहले तो on my nose. Look, my nose is popped up after applying the highlighter and it looks so good. थोड़ा सा here, थोड़ा सा on my cheekbone. Look how amazing my highlighter is looking. I just love using highlighter. My face is all glowing. Now last step is to set your base with a loose powder, because that is very important, and if you have an oily skin you have to use this. So I'm going to use this under my eyes, only under my eyes, because I have a dry skin, and you can see the difference. Look how matte my this side makeup is looking, and look at that, it's looking so good. This part is looking so good. See, it's looking super gorgeous. Now last but not the least, to complete our whole makeup look, lipstick. Festive makeup is totally incomplete without some earrings. So these are some traditional earrings I'm adding to my look, and we are good to go. is how my makeup turned out. It's looking so gorgeous. It was so simple and really quick. This is what I want in festive season because we also have to do some chores. But except from that, look how gorgeous my eyes are looking. You guys can see how lenses make a difference. पहले वाली clip आप देख सकते हो and अभी की clip आप देख सकते हो. How amazing my eyes are looking. My eyes are looking super bold. पहले की अगर मैं बात कर लूँ, to be honest, I was really scared of using lenses because I was scared of this idea that we have to put something on our eyes and it really scares me. But now I'm totally used to it. जब तक आप ट्राई नहीं करोगे तब तक आपको पता नहीं चलेगा कि हाउ lenses works. There are some rules and regulations that you have to follow while applying lenses. You always have to wash your hands and dry your hands. While removing your lenses, always put your lenses in a fresh lens solution and that's it and you're good to go. It's so easy to apply. So these lenses are so comfortable and मैं इधर उधर भी देख रही हूँ ना तो I don't feel like I have applied any lenses. So this is how it looks and this is how it elevates your whole makeup look. And moving on to my makeup look, let me know in the comment section कि आपको मेरा ये festive makeup look कैसे लगा. Also do not forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video and share this video with your friends and family. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.